Good day, guys. Good day to you all. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Welcome back. Um, I try to desist from doing negative videos in the Jamaican football landscape, addressing really negative and divisive topics because there's so much negativity about Jamaica's football right now. It's not even funny. Jamaica's football is not in a good place, It really isn't, right? You know, if you really look below the surface, Jamaica's football is really and truly not in a good place. I try to desist from doing negative content, try and spread more positivity in the Jamaican footballing YouTube space. But sometimes, boy, you can't really help it. You can't really ignore certain things. You know, season 100, episode 50 of JFF Arms House 2.0. You know, yo. All right. Yesterday, I'm in a group chat seeing, say a friend of the channel post something in the group chat. Little later, I'm called me. I said, by the way, boss, which part you get? Because I see him post the letter, seeing, but I never know which part it come from. He said, boss, it all over Instagram. Every reggae girl Instagram page has the letter. But true means a man, I really program the social media thing too tough. The call in my sets a bomb, I go up on Instagram. Literally every post where you see in a what you call it, a timeline. If 25 posts in the timeline, 20 of them are the same post. This letter on your screen, ladies and gentlemen, basically an open letter from literally the Instagram page of every single reggae girl a part of the women's national team. Seeing? I'm not going to read all like, I'm just going to read part side. They talk about, one of the greatest honors for footballers representing a national team. And they talk about, we should be focused solely on preparing to compete on the world's largest stage. We are unfortunately compelled to express our utmost disappointment with you know who. On multiple occasions, we have sat down with the Federation to respectfully express concerns resulting from subpar planning, transportation, accommodations, training conditions, compensation, communication, nutrition, and accessibility to proper resources. We have also showed up repeatedly without receiving contractually agreed upon compensation. We were told that all our requests and concerns would be resolved in a timely manner. Unfortunately, that time has expired, and once again, our questions go unanswered and our concerns unresolved. In recent months, due to the extreme disorganization of camp logistics, we have missed several official FIFA-friendly matches. This will undoubtedly impact our preparation for Australia, which, of course, for those of you living under a rock, the Reggae Girls are going to Australia in the FIFA Women's World Cup for the second consecutive World Cup in a row. To be left questioning whether a camp will even take place 2 or 3 days before the expected start is unprofessional and often unfairly prohibitive for some of our players. The Reggae Girls just basically go on to express disappointment. The letter is on your screen. You guys basically get the gist of it. Boy, JFF 6 stomach, ladies and gentlemen. JFF 6 stomach. They make Reggae Boyz and Reggae Girls fans want vomit. Yo, the federation, them 6 stomach. Them 6 stomach, them 6 stomach, them 6 stomach. Yo, me hate JFF people. Me hate JFF. Me hate them. It's like an itch you can't scratch. Every day you get up and you know, you're just a itch, and you just can't scratch it. You can't get rid of it. The man them 6 stomach, you're afraid. Yo. We're trying not to be disrespectful, man, but honestly, the man them 6 stomach. They are so unprofessional. They are so inept. They are so lacking. You know, the worst thing about it is we not even know how to get rid of them. We can't, like, how we get rid of them people. Reggae Boyz fans need to seriously sit down and put a plan of action together as to how we get rid of the current administrators of Jamaica's football. You know. They are incompetent in ways unimaginable. When you hear some of the arms also that take place up at Tony Sparling complex where the girls have been training, honestly, man, it make you want to cry to you feel it for the Reggae girls have to go through. Ladies and gentlemen, some of these girls are playing for clubs like Manchester City, Tottenham Hotspurs, have played for clubs like Chelsea, Paris Saint-Germain, you name it. Big football clubs. No, nobody, I don't think anybody is realistically demanding the same level of competence that you get at a Manchester City, right? You're talking about sheikhs with oil money who can afford to hire literally the best in the world, right? But not even the basics. When you hear some of the arms also take place up at Tony Sparling complex with the Reggae girls, not even the basics. The program is just so all over the place. It's a mess. Going into the World Cup, it's an absolute mess. It's a mess. And a long time, my sister, the wheels are coming off, you know. You see the wheels coming off on the pitch because the Reggae girls have to deal with an incompetent coach. Subscribers of my channel know how I feel about Lauren Donaldson. Him scrap, claw, scrape, lock him way go Australia World Cup. Poor coach in my humble opinion. Poor coach. When I see some of the Reggae girls' performances, the last number of performances, man, have been dreadful against inferior opposition. Just total annihilation against inferior opposition. You see the girls' body language on the pitch. Ladies and gentlemen, when you watch the games with the Reggae girls, look on them body language. Look on them body language tell you everything you need to know. When me see them on the pitch, them look unsure themselves. The confidence is lacking. They don't know what to do. There's clearly, in my humble opinion, a lot of improvisation taking place. The girls just look dejected on the field of play, in my humble opinion, from what I see. They have to deal with a poor coach. You couple that with a joke administration. Boy, these Reggae girls are really overachieving, you know. It shows you the talent, you know. They're really up against the odds, you know, people. When they really truly sit down and think about it, you know. So when you look on the field of play, you see the wheels are fall off. Off the pitch, the girls are not getting nearly as much friendlies as they need to properly prepare. You can see that the preparation process has it is almost like it fizzled out into nothing. It has literally fizzled out. People, honestly, when the girls did qualify for the World Cup, I did hype and excited like hell in a man. Still want to see the girls at the World Cup, but I don't know if I'm excited, Certainly not as much as I was when they first qualified. Because, boy, I really and truly not think them girls can go to the World Cup, girl, really do nothing. Not with this administration and not with this Reggae Girls coaching staff. The Jamaica Football Federation, ladies and gentlemen, has failed the Reggae Girls miserably. When you see all of the girls that have go up on Instagram and I make post open letter, you can see the girls them tired, them frustrated. We have nothing question or doubt if what the girls are, the credibility of what the girls are saying. We as Reggae Boyz and Reggae Girls fans, we just know say facts them attack. The mere fact say it come to this, say I'm a joke thing. Plus, it's the same story over and over again. We have heard this so much. We have heard this so often, so many times. And the JFF can't ball about resources. Them cannot cry about resources because right now resources is not the biggest problem. It's not the major problem right now. It's just them ineptitude. Them cannot manage the job. The current administrators of Jamaica's football, they cannot manage the job and they are so damn arrogant. They won't step aside. They are so damn arrogant. They will not step aside. The thing dread, people. The thing dread, ladies and gentlemen. Honestly. I feel it for the Reggae Girls, man. Such a promising set. Such a promising team cannot fulfill its full potential, cannot fulfill its true potential. Not under these circumstances. Not under these circumstances. And it's such a damn shame. A golden generation of Reggae Girls. And they cannot maximize their full potential because an albatross is around their neck. People, I don't know how we're going to get rid of these current footballing administrators, but we need to get rid of them. We need to get rid of them. Seriously. I don't know how we're going to do it, but we need to get rid of them. Them sick stomach, man. Honestly, man. Them sick stomach. I hate them on them. Them sick stomach, man.